2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.